This is the DIY Garden Minute by Spoken Garden, teaching you tips and tricks in your garden in minutes. Find more quick topics at spokengarden.com and click on the Listen tab. Today, I want to talk to you about plant heat stress, which plants it can affect, and what signs to look for. With extreme hot temperatures this summer, we are seeing heat stress in our garden, and you probably are too. But do you know what to look for? And do you know the kinds of plants in general heat stress will affect? Heat stress happens when garden temperatures reach 90 degrees Fahrenheit or above repeatedly for over a week or longer. These extreme temperatures can affect any cool season annuals and perennials, along with other summer flowering plants that rely on temperatures below 90 degrees Fahrenheit to grow at their best. Now, these plants include black-eyed Susan vine, dianthus, petunias, dahlias, hydrangeas, hot lip salvia, African daisies, primrose, and pansies. The signs of summer heat stress to look for are a slowing or stopping of growth and flowering, leaves and stems possibly drooping or looking wilted, dropping of flowers and developing fruit off of vegetable plants, crispy looking leaves, or bolting of cool season vegetables and flowers like lettuce, kale. If you have any of these or similar plants, make sure to check on them during days with extremely high temperatures of 90 degrees Fahrenheit or above to see if they need any extra shade, water, or further TLC. If your plants exhibiting heat stress are cool season flowering or vegetable plants, really all you can do is wait out the hot weather. If any of these plants are in containers, you can definitely move them to shaded areas or areas that stay cooler during the high heat of the day, like placing them inside a garage on a cool concrete floor, which can also help keep them cool. Now, fall is right around the corner, so make sure you have all your seed sowing supplies and tools ready to start sowing soon. This includes making sure you have your very own Little Dibby or Dibby XL garden tool. Our exclusive one-of-a-kind seed sowing tool with graduated depth markings helps you sow your seeds at the correct depth every time. Find your perfect color of Dibby tool on our Etsy store, Shopify store, or even on Amazon. We run sales and promotions all the time too, so make sure to check back for deals and savings to get your Dibby garden tool. Links for each of these stores will be in this episode's description. Happy gardening! Thank you for listening. You can find other quick tip garden topics on our podcast page at spokengarden.com and click on the Listen tab at the top of the page. And make sure to subscribe to this podcast so you don't miss future quick garden episodes. We'll see you in the garden.